All of us know so many great stories, fiction and real life, that we read and we share. And all the great stories, the ones that really matter, are the ones where you will find that the protagonists and the heroes and the entrepreneurs and the visionaries had lots and lots of chances, opportunities and reasons for stopping, for giving up, for turning back. And what makes those stories great is because they didn't. Nobody out here goes around sharing stories of people who decided to give up. We share stories about people who decided to continue against all insurmountable odds.
No team has ever managed to solve all the problems in the SnackDown final. Give it your best, enjoy the contest.
The word success and failure are binary. Once you succeed, what do? Do you stop? That's it, life is over. Or what do you do further in life? It's like a binary outcome. Our lives are not really a pursuit for success, they're a pursuit for mastery. And mastery is a lifetime pursuit. You continue that journey in perpetuity, you never stop.